Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Amazon Prime. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to sign up for Amazon Prime, go tap open your web browser and in the URL box type in www.amazon.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of Amazon. Now, sign into your account by tapping on the sign in button at the upper right corner and then entering your credentials. Make sure to type in the valid email address that is associated with your account in the sign in box and tap on continue. Now, enter your Amazon password and then tap on the sign in button to log in. Once you end up in your home screen of Amazon, tap on your name at the upper right corner and from this page, scroll all the way down. Under account setting, you'll be able to see Prime membership option. Tap on Prime membership and on this page, tap on sign up for Amazon Prime. Now, you'll need to go ahead and enter your payment method. Select this box, add a credit or a debit card or a gift card, vouchers and promotional codes. Tap on any one option and enter your credit card information. You can choose to use the name on your account by clicking on this box. Now, enter your card number on the next field. Once you type in your credit card number, go and select your expiration date from the drop-down. Now, you can set it as a default payment method or not. Finally, tap on add your card and select a billing address for the card. You can tap on use this address as well. Now, select your payment method on the next page and tap on continue. From this page, tap on sign up now. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up for Amazon Prime. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.